Most people in Spain are using digital wallets every single day without realizing they are either saving money or missing out on better rewards and smoother payments. And the biggest mistake you need to avoid is thinking all digital wallets in Spain work the same way. They don't. Some are simple payment tools, some are full banking systems, and a few actually help you reduce fees, earn rewards, and manage your money more efficiently. Here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, Spain's digital payment system is highly advanced, but it is also fragmented. That means different wallets work better in different places, and smart users don't rely on just one app. They combine multiple systems depending on where they are, what they are buying, and how they want to pay. In this video, you are going to learn the 10 best digital wallets in Spain for 2026. But more importantly, you will understand how each one actually works in real life, when to use it, and how people in Spain stack them to save money and maximize convenience. Now here is something most beginners miss. In Spain, digital wallets are not just apps. They are connected ecosystems tied to banks, transport systems, QR payments, and loyalty programs. And if you understand how they interact, you unlock a completely smoother financial experience. Let's start immediately, because the first one is used almost everywhere in Spain. Number 1 is Apple Pay. Apple Pay is one of the most widely accepted digital wallets in Spain. You can use it in supermarkets, restaurants, cafes, public transport in many cities, and almost all modern retail stores. But here is where most people misunderstand it. Apple Pay itself does not give cashback or rewards. It is only a secure payment layer. The rewards depend on the card you connect to it. For example, Alex in Madrid uses Apple Pay linked to his CaixaBank card. Every time he taps his phone, the payment is instant and secure. But any rewards come from his bank, not Apple Pay. Now, here is the problem. Many users think Apple Pay is responsible for rewards. That is not true. But here's where it gets interesting. Apple Pay is extremely powerful in Spain because it works almost everywhere and is fully integrated with major banks like CaixaBank, BVA, Santander, and Sabadell. And in a minute, I will show you how Spanish users combine mobile wallets with transport systems to completely eliminate payment friction. Let's move to number 2, Google Wallet. Google Wallet is the main alternative to Apple Pay in Spain, especially for Android users. Just like Apple Pay, it does not directly offer cashback. It stores your debit and credit cards and allows secure contactless payments using your phone. For example, Sarah in Barcelona links her BVA and Santander cards to Google Wallet. Every payment goes through her bank and rewards depend on her card provider. But here is the catch. Google Wallet is only as powerful as the cards you connect. If your card has no benefits, Google Wallet does not add extra value. Now, here is where it gets interesting. Google Wallet allows fast switching between cards, which helps you optimize spending for groceries, travel, or online shopping. In a minute, I will show you Spain's most important instant payment system that almost everyone uses daily. Let's move to number 3, Bizum. Bizum is one of the most important financial tools in Spain. It allows instant money transfers between bank accounts using only a phone number. For example, Jake in Valencia uses Bizum to split dinner bills instantly with friends. No IBAN, no cash, no delay. Now here is where it gets interesting. In Spain, Bizum is so widely used that many people treat it as the default way to send money. But here is the problem. Bizum is not a cashback system. It is purely a transfer system. Still, it is essential for daily life because it replaces cash in most peer-to-peer transactions. Let's move to number 4, CaixaBank Pay and Imagine. CaixaBank offers one of the most advanced mobile banking ecosystems in Spain. It allows payments, transfers, budgeting, and card management. For example, Emma in Madrid uses CaixaBank app to manage her salary and daily expenses. Now, here's where it gets interesting. CaixaBank integrates loyalty programs and digital payment features into a single system. But here is the catch. Rewards depend on cards, not the wallet itself. Let's move to number 5, BBA, app. BBVA is one of the largest banks in Spain and has a highly advanced digital banking system. It allows payments, transfers, and financial tracking, in real time. For example, Mike in Madrid uses Bivia app to track spending and manage savings goals. Now here's where it gets interesting. BBVA offers strong financial insights that help users understand spending habits clearly. But here is the problem. It is not a rewards-focused wallet. Let's move to number 6, Santander Wallet. Santander is another major bank in Spain, with a strong mobile banking platform. It allows payments, transfers, and card control. For example, Lisa in Seville uses Santander app to manage her daily transactions and bills. Now here is where it gets interesting. Santander often offers card-based promotions and partner discounts. But here is the catch. Rewards are tied to credit cards, not the wallet. Let's move to number 7, Revolut. Revolut is extremely popular in Spain, especially among travelers and digital professionals. It allows multi-currency accounts, low exchange fees, and real-time spending tracking. For example, David in Barcelona uses Revolut when traveling to France or Italy to avoid currency conversion fees. Now here's where it gets interesting. Revolut sometimes offers cashback and partner deals depending on subscription level. But here is the problem. Premium features require paid plans. Let's move to number 8, Wise. Wise is not a traditional wallet, but it is widely used in Spain for international transfers. It allows low-cost currency exchange and global payments. For example, Sarah in Spain uses Wise to send money to family abroad with minimal fees. Now here is where it gets interesting. Wise is one of the cheapest ways to move money internationally. But here is the catch. It is not designed for daily in-store payments. Let's move to number 9, Satispay alternatives and local QR wallets. In Spain, QR-based payments are growing, especially in smaller businesses and fintech apps. These systems allow direct payments using QR codes linked to bank accounts. For example, John in Madrid uses QR payments in local shops to pay instantly without cards. Now here is where it gets interesting. QR systems are becoming more common in small businesses across Spain. But here is the problem. Adoption is still not as universal as card payments. Finally, number 10. Samsung Wallet. Samsung Wallet is used by Samsung smartphone users in Spain and combines payments, loyalty cards, and secure access features. It allows contactless payments using stored cards and integrates with supported banks. For example, Kevin in Barcelona uses Samsung Wallet for quick payments in cafes and stores. But here is the reality. Samsung Wallet does not provide standalone cashback. It depends on linked cards. Now here is where it gets interesting. It is best for convenience and ecosystem integration. Now let's bring everything together because this is where most people finally understand how Spain's system actually works. There is no single best digital wallet in Spain. Each one serves a different purpose. Apple Pay is best for fast contactless payments. Google Wallet is best for Android users and flexibility. Bitsum is best for instant money transfers. Bank apps like CaixaBank, BBVA and Santander are best for financial control. Revolut is best for travel and currency savings. Wise is best for international transfers. QR wallets are best for local merchant payments. Samsung Wallet is best for ecosystem convenience. But here is the biggest mistake people make. They try to use only one wallet for everything. That is exactly why they miss convenience, rewards, and efficiency. Now, here is the smart strategy in 2026. Use Apple Pay or Google Wallet for daily spending. Use Bitsum for instant transfers. Use bank apps for budgeting and financial control. Use Revolut for travel spending. Use Wise for international transfers. Use credit cards linked to wallets for rewards optimization. This is how smart users in Spain build a complete financial system instead of relying on one app. And here is the final insight most people never realize. Digital wallets are not just payment tools. They are financial systems that define how efficiently you manage your money every single day. Every saved fee, every optimized transaction, and every smart decision adds up over time. Now let's quickly summarize. Apple Pay and Google Wallet provide convenience. Bitsum enables instant transfers. Bank apps provide financial control. Revolut provides travel flexibility. Wise provides global transfers. QR wallets provide local flexibility. Samsung Wallet provides ecosystem convenience. Credit cards provide real rewards. If you combine them correctly, you are not just using apps anymore. You are building a complete financial strategy. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like, comment your favorite wallet in Spain, and subscribe because the next video will show you how Europeans stack digital wallets with credit cards to maximize rewards without changing their spending habits.